Okay. In exercise 1.5, we are discussing about the Roman numbers, Roman numerals. So, I already said the main symbols in Roman numbers are what? This is what? 1 and V. It is nothing but 5 and X is nothing but 10. Next one what? L 50 and C 100, D 500 and M 1000. These are the main 7 symbols which we are using in our maths. So, in 4th class you need up to this. Okay. So, what we have to do? From 1 to 50 we have to write in Roman numbers. From 1 to 50. Already it is there in exercise 1.5. Complete the table. Up to 39 are there. So we have to write them. Already I said 1. This is 1. And next 2. 2 ones are there. 1 I means what? Only 1. 2 are there. 2 are there means 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means nothing but 2. And next 3. 3 lines you have to draw. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. Okay. Why? Because in these rotations 1 is closer to these numbers. So we wrote these numbers by using 1 only. Next I want to write 4. So in these symbols which is closer to 4? 5 is closer. So that's why we have to write 4 by using 5. So 5 minus 1 is equals to how much? 4. So we have to subtract 1 from 5. When we use subtraction symbol means if a smaller number is first and a bigger number is second, like this. V is 5 and I is 1. So smaller number is in front of a bigger number, then its meaning is what? Subtraction. Okay. So 4 can be written like this. And next 5. 5 means nothing but what? V is 5. Next number what? 6. How can we write 6? Direct symbol is not there for 6. So what we have to write? 5 plus 1. 6. 5 plus 1. Plus means we have to write the smaller number after the bigger number. So first you have to write the bigger number. What is bigger number here? 5. So 5 first you have to write it. Plus means on this side you have to write the smaller number. What is the smaller number? 1. So this is 6. And next 7. How can you write 7? 7 means 5 plus 2 7. So first we have to write which one? 5. And plus means on the right side you have to write. How much we have to add? 2. 2 is this one. That's why 5 plus 2 7. Next 8. 8 means what? 5 plus 3 8. So 5. This is 5 and 3. 3 means 3 lines you have to take. So this is 8. Next 9. So 9 means what? 5 plus 4 is 9. And here we have another number is also 10. 9 is closer to 10. So that's why 9 is equals to what we have to write? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. 10 is the bigger number, so write 10 here. Minus is there. Minus means what? On the front side you have to write. How much you have to subtract? 1. So this is 9. Okay, 9 and 10. This is first table in exercise 1.5. Next second one. What is second one? 11. So how we can write 11? 11 means what? 11 is closer to 10. So how can we write 10 plus 1 is nothing but 11. 10 plus 1. So 10 means nothing but x. Plus means on the right side you have to write the smaller number. How much? 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. Next 12 is there. How can we write 12? 10 plus 2, 12. 10. 10 means x. And next plus 2. Plus 2 means on this side you have to write 2. Next one, 13. 13 means what? 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3. Plus 3 means 3 lines you have to draw. Next 14. 14 means what? 10 plus 4, 14. So first what we have to write? 10. Plus means on this side only we have to write how much? 4. What is the symbol of 4? This one is the symbol of 4. So 14. Next one, 15. 15 means what? 10 plus 5. So first you have to write 10 and 5. 15. 16. 16 means what? 10 plus 6. So 10 x and 6. 6 means we have symbol of 6 here. So if you learn these numbers perfectly, then you can able to write the other numbers easily. 16 completed. Next is 17. How can you write? 17 means 10 plus 7. 17. So 10 x and 7 means what? This is 7. 17. And 18. 18 how can we write? 10 and 8 again. Like this. It is nothing but how much? 18. Next 19. How can we write 19? 10 plus 9. So where is 10? X is 10. 9. 9 is this one. So this is 19. And last one is what? 20. 20 means what? 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. So 2 tens we need to have. 2 tens. How can we write? This is 1 10 and this is another 10. This is 20. Now sir, next 21. 21 means 20 plus 1. What is 20? 20 means this one. What is that? X, x. This is 20. Plus how much? 1. 1 means we know 1 is this. And next 22. 22 means what? 20 plus 2. What is 20? 2x means 20. And 2. 2 means what? We have 2 lines. So 2x is 2 lines. That is 22. 23. 23 means 2x is 20 and 3 lines 3. 24. 20 and 4 means what? This is 4. Like this you have to write all the numbers in the 20s. Okay? If I want to write 27. 27. 20 means what? 2x's. And 7. 7 means what? This is 7. 27. Next 29. How can we write 29? 20 and 9. What is 9? This is 9. So it is 29. Okay. After that, after 29 what we will get? 30. 30 means what? 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 30. 10, 10, 10. So 10 means x, another 10 means another x, another 10 means another x. So 30 means x, x, x. That is 30. Now 31. 31 means what we should write? 30 plus 1. That is 31. So 30 we have already like this. And again 1. Next 32. So 30 plus 2 means 32. So what we have to write? This is 30 and 2 means 2 lines. So similarly, if I want to write 39, how can I write it? 39 means what? 30 plus 9. 30. So this is 30. And 9 means what? This is 9. So 39. Okay, like this you have to write up to 39 in exercise 1.5. Complete that one. By this the first chapter ends. And now we have one mental exercise after 1.5. But we have one mental exercise. What is that means? Just a simple Question is given 5 plus 1 that is equals to 4. Okay, move only one sticker to correct the sentence. Move only one stick to correct the sentence. Later, these are matchsticks. This is one matchstick, this is second one, and this is third one. Okay, fourth, fifth. These are matchsticks like this. By moving only one matchstick, we have to correct this equation. Actually, this is 5 plus 1, how much? 6. But what it is given here? 4. How can we correct this one? If you move this matchstick to this side, then what happens? 5, it is 1. So, if you move this one here, then it will become 6. So, 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Okay. Otherwise, if you remove this sticker completely, 5 minus 1, that is also how much? 4. Here like this, you have to do in the mental exercise. Next, another one is also there. 1. You have this one. How we can correct it? It is 9 minus 1, but it is 11. So 9 minus 1, 11. How we will get it? But if you take this matchstick out and if you keep it here, then what will it become? Here we remove this one, so x will be there. And I am saying to keep it here, then you will get plus symbol. Another one, I, that equals to xi. So 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. That is correct. Okay. In this way, we have to correct it. Right. Next, another one is there. What is that? 5 plus 2 is equals to 5. 5 plus 2 equals to 5. By moving one stick, you have to solve that. This is the mental exercise we have. So again, we will discuss from the starting of the first chapter.